Good day and welcome to our ThatSuiteMoney.ca claims process. We're going to fill out our claim. We've written an article explaining that this is actually real. And let's get to it and go through the claim process. We have not done this before, so we'll make the same mistakes you will. See if we can fix it up and make it faster for you. So let's click Start Your Claim. I'm going to enter my information. This will all be fuzzed out, but you get the idea of what's here. So at the top, it's asking, are you submitting this for a company or a partnership or another entity? And that's really, are you corporate? If you're corporate, it's then going to ask you if the claims administrator can look through Microsoft's records for you, and they'll do the rest of the work for you. If it's personal, you've got to fill it out. No, you don't need receipts, by the way, so which we explain in our article, which I'll put a little link to in the top right-hand corner right here. Okay, so let's just fill this in again. I'll fuzz this all out so you can't see it. So we're authorizing the claims administrator, and we're definitely a resident as of May 25th. Notice resident, not citizen. And that's important because for instance, I'm in Calgary, and Calgary has the largest number of US citizens of any non-US city or state. So there's an awful lot of Americans living here. Yes, you can fill this out. Part B, what did I purchase? Most people here are simply going to select, I purchased a PC with Microsoft software preloaded on blah, blah, blah. That's what most people are going to choose. I, however, also purchased the products directly. I actually went to a store and bought retail copies of this stuff. So for most people, you won't select the first box. Most people, you'll just select the second. So here we have to explain what we bought and where it came from and so on and so forth. And this builds up your claim up to $250 without receipts. Now keep in mind that there is a fraud prevention program in place here. Maxing this out to $250, it's going to flag you. So I don't suggest you lie. Just fill out the information properly. Don't be a dirtbag. So I purchased Windows upgrades many times. I purchased this in 1999. And yes, I did, by the way. I actually remember, we're going to go over all of these things, and I'm going to not say repeatedly that I remember buying this stuff, but because I'm a total bithead, I love this stuff, and I actually remember buying this stuff. So yes, and I'm genuinely not making this up. So you know what we're going to do? We're going to finish this one off, then I'm going to do a bunch more of them, and we'll just speed through it so you don't have to sit here and watch me. This came from Future Shop. Was this product genuine? No, I bought it pirated. Did you purchase this product to sell? No, I did not. Create another claim. I added something at the end that shouldn't have been there. Please correct errors. What do I have? More errors. All right. Okay, see that's red. Oh, oops, selected the wrong thing. No, I got that backwards. So is this product genuine? No, I believe it was. Yeah, I just got that backwards. So let's just continue through here. I don't see any other red items. Was that red? It was not. There we go. I declare under penalty of perjury. Yep. And as I said, don't be a scumbag with this. In my case, this is legit. I'm a tech. I've been doing this for years, and I needed all of that equipment. In fact, I'm confident that I've forgotten about netbooks that I bought and other things, so I'm confident there's actually substantially more than that, but that's fine. So let's continue. There it is, consumer claim submitted. All right, so if you want to do this, you've got until September 23rd. If you are a Canadian that bought a Microsoft-related computer between 1998 and 2010, or you just bought software off the shelf, as I often did, yeah, you can fill out this form and receive up to $250. You can see how fast that was. Didn't take very long at all, easy to do. And the lawyers and Microsoft do actually want you to make this claim. They all want this to be finished up. So please pass this on to your friends and let them know about it as well. If you like this video, please click like. If you like this type of thing, please click subscribe. We talk a lot about Microsoft products. So we talk about, everything from Office 365 to Windows 10, Exchange Server, so on and so forth. Sometimes hardcore stuff, sometimes really, light consumer stuff. How to fix your start button, problems with printers, that kind of thing. And if you have any questions or concerns, please note them down in the bottom in the comment section and we'll get back to you. Or you can always get a hold of us at www.urtech, that's urtech.ca. Thanks and have a great day.